Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how can we download Python. So in order to do that, first of all we have to go to Google Chrome or any web browser. Then here we will type www.google.com. Then we will type Python download for Windows 7. Windows 7. Right. Python download for Windows 7. If you have Windows 10, then you can go for Windows 10. Python download for Windows 10. If your system has 32 bits, then you will obviously go for 32 bits. And if your system has 64 bits, then you can go for 64 bits. Since my system supports 64 bits, then I will go for 64 bits only. But my Python versions 3.7.7 or 3.7.4 does not support. So I am choosing Python 2.7.7. You can choose any version as you want, according to the support, which version supports. Now here you can see there is an installer here. We will click on this. Now we will click on this, then we will click on this run option. Then we will select this one, install for all users. Then we will click on next option. Again we will click on next, and we will wait until the download is completed. It's taking a bit of time. Then you click on yes option. I'm telling you one more time, if your system supports Python 3 point something, then you can go for it. And if your system has 32 bits, you can go for 32 bits. If your system has 64 bits, then you can go for 64 bits. Your choice. Then we will click on this finish option. Now my installation is completed, I guess. Then we will click on this cross option. Then here we can click on Python. And we will click on this. So my installation is completed. Yes. So my installation is completed successfully, and this is the place where we can write our own Python program. I hope the concepts are clear. In the next videos, we will discuss how to write programs in Python. Thank you and have a nice day.